What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a note to the folder on the Notes app on iPhone. Now once you get your Notes app opened, you're just going to head over to the note that you want to add to the folder. I have this tab full of exercise references, and I'm going to just slide left on the note that I want to add to the folder. It's going to bring up the three options, and you're going to hit the one in the middle. It has the purple background and the folder icon on it. And then you're going to see all of your created folders that you already have in there. And then you're just going to click on the folder that you want to add it to. It is that simple. As you can see, I added it to the fitness folder and the push-pull leg workouts. And then you could see my stiff leg deadlift reference sheet is there. And I can just head over to that anytime I want to. And it's going to be in the folder just like I added. This is super helpful as it was just a little confusing in the past because once you already create the note and you want to add it to a different folder, there was really no clear way to do it. But by swiping left, you'll be able to pull up that tab and add it to the folder. If you wanted to just see how to create a new note in the folder, that's pretty simple too. You're just going to go over to the folder that you already created and then just create a new note like normal, and it's already going to be in the folder for you. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to drop a comment down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da